Alright, next up, Taobao.
当然有，有卖有包邮，包邮。
Shake your body body, move your body body 俺ら照り焼きもう一回始まり君の谷間に乙女が生きそしてたちまち
Okay, let's see what we got. How about we start with big package.
Hey yo!
Huh. I thought I would get a shoebox. Now, these just dropped, and it was said that there were only
10,000 pairs.
the Jordan 1 High, 85 brand, Bape, quartz the high. For the love of God! You know what? I'm not gonna lie. These are surprisingly kind of cool. Now, obviously, this will never happen. Well, it kind of happened. 2021 Bape Costa High black gray with the line camo embossing. But Nike came in and flagged that before the release, so... But there are some pairs floating around though. Anyways, looks-wise, pretty solid. Now, I've never owned a pair of Jordan 1 Highs, so y'all who has can leave it in the comments. But based on photos, yeah, looks... yeah. Now, if you want to get into Bape specifics, Bape's current 93 High. Bape style logo is off. Hey, better than AliExpress though.
What the hell was that?
It's too upright, and the stars point are too sharp. Real one comes more in a longer, slanted look, and the star's edges are a bit more rounded. Tongue, all Bape sneakers come with the Bapester tag. This one, I'm guessing they were trying to spell play Ape. Materials. Okay. Yeah. Okay, never mind. You know, overall, I gotta give it to him.
百万商品跨境领，
Like I said before, better than AliExpress, and way better than Amazon. Ooh! Uh-oh, okay. What's up? I see you. Man, the cleanest shoe on the planet.
Man, sit your dumb ass down.
If there was a world where Bape and Nike came together, these would be those shoes. Overall, are they legit regular sneakers?
Almost definitely.
Or are they Bape?
Hey! Ain't nobody trying to hear that bullshit.
That's right. I did get this. You know how difficult it is to get a tee like this? If any? But hey, on Taobao you can get it for, I think, $9.
What?
The 2009 Bape Chrome Hearts tee. Now, if I remember right, there were 4 types of tees and some plushies that released that day. I don't think you can find one nowadays in good condition. I mean, if you did...
I'm not doing this.
Man, that was a clean collab. Screen print is actually not too bad. The hell is this? Obviously not the correct tags. Here's the back, let's see. You know, the image is cool, but looks like they had trouble with the lettering. The smaller it gets, the more smudged it looks. Large size, huh? Not too sure it is, even with the shark hoodie on. Definitely a legit wearable shirt. Is it Bape?
Get the fuck out!
Okay, this next item, if this is the right item, is where we'll find out what level Taobao is really at. Can't go without reviewing Bape's most copied item, the shark hoodie, and oh, okay, we actually get a Bape bag this time. Taobao already went up.
Smell like bitch in here. All y'all smell like bitch.
I'm kinda excited for this one. Now just the bag overall looks spot on, but I can kinda see some differences. So real Bape and Taobao Bape, and like I thought, Taobao Bape bag is much smaller. Also the feeling is how can I describe it? Kinda has this heavy duty plastic feel to it. Where real Bape bags have this kind of silky thin feel to it. That being said, if the bag is smaller, then everything else is smaller. Ape head, too small. The text actually doesn't look too bad, but when it's shrunk, it gets more bold. But hey, who cares about the bag, right? It's all about the hoodie. And
I'm not doing this.
I'll give him this. The color is pretty spot on. And the material, it's cotton. Just not very good. The tags. The hell? It's falling apart.
What the fuck?
Closer look here. WGM. Color's pretty good. But patch quality, sizing, spacing, yeah, not very good. And the tiger print, let's see. Well, there goes the Taobao shark hoodie. How would I describe this? Say, if I was far away and I saw this, I would think, hey, there goes the first camo yellow shark hoodie. But then, I don't know, I would have this weird feeling.
Oh my god, I almost died! I almost died, I was so scared!
Okay, I think I know where I want to rank Taobao, but we got one more item. The Bape Shark Bomb.
God damn!
I've seen some bad Bape in my day, but
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
so we got the Bape, Hape Shark Bomber. The screen print is basically stickers. I mean, I could easily. And the thing is, on the pictures, it looked like the design was embroidered and patched. Well, there it is, guys. Taobao Bape. Now, I was thinking of giving it a C, but after that last one, I'm gonna give it C, D. Hope y'all guys enjoyed the video, and don't worry, I hear you guys. And like always, legit latest Bape on my site. Peace!